Viral Olympics chocolate muffin with a sourdough twist. Hey everyone! Today we are diving into the Olympics 2024 viral chocolate muffins that took TikTok by storm, but with a unique twist using our sourdough discard. These muffins became a sensation due to their rich, moist texture and decadent chocolate flavor. And I'm going to show you how to make them even better. You won't believe how easy it is to make these viral chocolate muffins using sourdough discard. They are a game changer for your baking. Let's get started. First, chop 250 grams of milk chocolate into chips. This will add bursts of sweetness throughout the muffins. Next, melt 60 grams of butter together with 60 grams of canola oil. This combination of fats keeps the muffins super moist and tender. I will just heat over the stove over the low heat, or you can choose to do a microwave for a few seconds. Once heated, set it aside. Let's prepare the dry ingredients. In a clean bowl, mix in 30 grams of milk powder, 200 grams of plain flour, 10 grams of corn starch, 90 grams of brown sugar. This will add on the extra caramel flavor. And 90 grams of custard sugar. $10 grams of baking powder. A quarter teaspoon of salt, 5 grams of baking soda. By combining both baking powder and baking soda, we ensure a reliable rise and a balanced flavor for our muffin. Baking powder provides a base level of lift, while baking soda gives an extra boost when combined with the acidic ingredients. This combination results in muffins that are light, fluffy, and delicious. So this is our pro tips. Use the sieve to sieve about 3 times of our dry ingredients. If you are new here, why not click on subscribe button to my channel so that you won't miss out any recipes. Click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I post a new recipe. Now let's add on 45 grams of Dutch cocoa powder. Lightly mix all together. In separate large clean bowl, crack 2 large fresh eggs. Beat the eggs with whisk. And then mix in 1 tablespoon of organic vanilla bean paste. Use a hand whisk to beat the eggs. Grip the whisk firmly and use your entire arm, not just your wrist, to make quick circular motions, engaging your shoulder and elbow for added power. Hold the bowl at a slight angle to pull the eggs and whisk steadily, increasing speed as the mixture froths for a light, airy consistency. If you prefer an easier method, of course, a hand mixer or stand mixer can be used instead. I'm just too lazy to take out my stand mixer, hence using the hand whisk. Now let's add in around 180 grams of plain Greek yogurt. Add in 3 tablespoons of fresh milk. Mix the mixture all together. Add in our secret ingredient, sourdough discard, around 125 grams. Adding sourdough discard to a recipe enhances flavor by introducing a substance, while also contributing moisture for a tender, moist texture. It's an excellent way to reduce waste by using up excess starter, and it may also add nutritional benefits due to the presence of beneficial bacteria and yeast. making the baked goods slightly easier to digest. What you need to do now is head over to hankery.com/masterclass and sign up for my sourdough masterclass today. Now let's add in our melted butter and canola oil. Now let's combine our wet and dry ingredients. Slowly mix the dry ingredient into the wet mixture. Slowly shift a little bit flour and a little bit whisk into the wet ingredients. Remember, the pro tips here is don't rush it through. It will really impact how light and fluffy of your chocolate muffin texture later on. To alternate shifting the flour while whisking the wet mixture, start by holding a sieve over the bowl with the wet ingredients in one hand. With the other hand, gently whisk the wet mixture. Gradually shift a portion of the flour into the bowl, using a light tapping motion to avoid clumping. As the flour falls, whisk the mixture gently to incorporate it smoothly. Continue this process, adding the flour in small batches, whisking in between each addition. This method ensures the flour is evenly distributed and prevents overmixing, resulting in a smooth, well-incorporated batter for our light, fluffy, Olympic virus chocolate muffin. Add in our chopped milk chocolate chips. Make sure you reserve half of the milk chocolate for later on. Sprinkle on top of the chocolate muffin later on before bake. Use the spoon lightly mix into the batter. In the meanwhile, preheat your oven to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit and line a muffin tin with paper liners. This will prevent sticking and ensure your muffins bake evenly. I love this muffins casing. You can click on the link below for the tools there where I got all these special tools and also the special muffin case. Fill each liner about 2/3 full with the batter. This batch make around 11 of the muffin and take one extra out from the muffin pan. For more flavorful of chocolatey of our muffin, I'm using the dark chocolate chips and I'm calling chocolate chip buttons, and insert one dark chocolate button in each of the muffin case. Insert into the batter like this. If you want more gooey chocolate in the center of the muffin, you can add a little bit more in the center of the muffin. And sprinkle the other half of the chocolate chips on top of the muffin. They absolutely look so chocolatey to me, even before bake. Bake the muffins for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean later. Look at my time-lapse video of these viral Olympic chocolate muffins. After 25 minutes, or insert a toothpick in the center comes out clean. They are fully baked. Smells so great. These muffins are an absolutely treat. The combination of sourdough discard and cocoa creates a rich, complex flavor profile that's both indulgent and satisfying. The crumb is moist, tender, and slightly chewy with a delightful hint of tanginess from the sourdough. The dark and milk chocolate chips provide bursts of melty chocolate goodness in every bite. The muffins are not overly sweet, striking the perfect balance between rich chocolate flavor and subtle sweetness. It is no wonder these muffins have become a viral sensation among the athletes. The energy boost from the carbohydrates and proteins makes them a perfect choice for athletes and anyone looking for a delicious and satisfying snack. Let's recap my chocolate muffins recipes. you can go to hankery.com for printout recipes. If you don't have sourdough discard, why not check out my next video, which is easy and moist banana chocolate muffins recipes. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you enjoy it. Happy baking and hope to see you in my masterclass soon.